I'm incredibly proud to be able to support and offer my contribution to Thank You Day. The idea behind this brilliant campaign is simple. It's a chance for us all to come together and say a huge thank you to anyone who has helped you over the last difficult 15 months. Now, I would like to start by thanking our incredible NHS staff and all those key workers. Their heroic effort and hard work has ensured that we all get through this difficult period together. I'd also like to thank the army of volunteers working right across Wales who came together to support the most vulnerable in our communities. From delivering shopping and medicine to checking in with people living alone over the phone. Finally, I'd like to thank you, the Welsh public, for everything that you've done, for all those sacrifices that you've made to help keep Wales safe. If you'd like to join in with the campaign today, why not share a few words or a video to say who you're thanking today using the Thank You Day hashtag. Thank you. Diolch o galon I chi gyd.